Okay, good morning everyone. I'm gonna talk today about my major, that is entomology. So my presentation is gonna be like that. As I know that many people don't know what entomology is, I'm gonna first define entomology. Then I'm gonna explain you why people study entomology. After that, some areas of entomology, and finally a short conclusion. So let's start talking about entomology. Entomology is a subdiscipline of zoology or biology, and in simple words, it's the scientific study of insects. But why people study insects? For many reasons. Because insects are the most abundant animals on Earth. And it's believed that there are 10 quintillion of individual insects alive. That means that the two-thirds of animals in the world are insects. All these insects that we have, just 1 million of insects are recognized or identified. So they live everywhere, but we don't know what they are doing. So that's why, and for other reasons, many people are working with insects, because also they share or bother people or can be beneficial for us too. So the negative roles of insects are that they bite or sting humans, livestock, or our pets. Also they can eat crops, for example the fruits or vegetables that we eat, or the food that we have in storage. Insects spread diseases, for example malaria and diseases that can spread from human beings, and can be pets in our houses, roaches and ants, and also they can eat our clothes or eat wood, for example the furniture. But also insects have positive roles. Many people is working on the benefits, trying to get benefits from insects. For example, insects like honey, and some butterflies produce silk, and bees produce honey. So others are pollinators. We need some insects because if we need to produce fruits or some flowers, we need insects for that. And insects can also be beneficial because they can attract insect pests. So the insects that bother us, like roaches and this kind of insects, we can use other insects that can kill them. For example, eating or parasiting the pest insects. Also can work as decomposers. The insects that eat wood or the furniture can be decomposers in the forest because are necessary in the forest because they eat the wood. And are necessary for some other insects, like some other animals, like birds and fishes, because there are some fish and some birds that just feed on insects. In many cultures, use insects as food, like snacks, and now many people is studying insects for robotics because the movements of insects are different than human beings, for example, some the other animals, because insects don't have bones, insects just have exoskeleton, so the movements of insects can be faster than the other animals in the world. So the movements and many studies have been related to insects. So there are many areas of entomology. There are the medical entomology, that is related with human health, public health. That is the ones that I told you that are the insects that can transmit or spread diseases for us. So there are many people studying right now this kind of diseases, trying to avoid that we get more diseases. The other are veterinary entomology, are insects that bother our livestock, like cows. So the work of an entomologist is try to avoid these insects and try to control them. Forensic entomology, I think, is a cool area of entomology. Some people that work, for example, if they find a dead body and they don't know who they are or how long the body is in outdoors, they can realize with insects. So they need an entomologist there because there are some flies that feed on dead bodies, like people, like human bodies. So knowing the cycle of the flies that are there at the cycle of the larvae, or the insect of the flies, they can know how long the body is there, the dead body is there. Other is urban entomology. Urban entomology is the people that works to repel roaches, ants, and these kind of insects in our houses, hospitals, buildings. and agricultural entomology, that is the area we are working with, that we were trying to control insects that affect crops in general, trying to control them, and also we study the biology and trying to avoid now agrochemicals. So we are using other insects to release in the field to control the insect pests. And many people study insects just as hobby because insects are everywhere and they are so fun. So as conclusion, we can say that entomology is the study of insects, and it's a fascinating area of biology. Because of insects have many positive and negative effects in the world, there are many people around the world studying insects. Although for many people it's a weird study, there are many people working in that, and you need an entomologist in an airport, you need an entomologist in the academia, in many areas, because an entomologist is necessary to control, and in order to you can eat very well, or you can have health, you need an entomologist always. So that's it. If you have questions, I will open the door.